Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is look at how to add and subtract fractions. Okay, so we just want to take these algebraic fractions and add them or subtract them, or in other words, express as a single fraction. So to do this, let's have a think about how we would just express fractions without any algebra as a single fraction. So if you were going to add 3/5 and 7/10, you would find the lowest common multiple here, which is 10, and you would make them into equivalent fractions. So this is already given in tenths, so we can leave that one as it is. I'm going to look at the 3/5. So to turn the fifths into tenths, we multiplied by 2. So we have to do the very same thing to the top as well. So we have to multiply the 3 by 2 as well to keep that fraction as an equivalent fraction. In other words, 3/5 is the same as 6/10. Okay, so once they are the same fraction, we can add them no problem. So on our next line, we're going to get 13 over 10, or 1 3/10. Okay, so we've done that now. We have expressed this as a single fraction. So we apply the same logic when we are working with fractions. Here we have 4x minus 3 over 4 minus x over 3. And again, we look at our denominators and we think to ourselves, okay, what's the lowest common multiple between these two? And it's 12. So we write them over 12 and we think to ourselves, well, to turn the 4 into 12, I multiplied it by 3. So I'm going to have to multiply my top line by 3 also. So that's going to give me 3 times 4x minus 3 minus, and this was multiplied by 4, so I must multiply this by 4 also. So I get 4 times x. Okay, and then in my next line, I'm just expanding at my bracket, so I'm going to get 12x minus 9 minus 4x. I'm going to tidy that up, so I've got 12x minus 4x is 8x minus 9, and it's all over 12. So that's my answer. Have another go over here. Again, you just want to express this as a single fraction. So you're looking at your denominators. Here you have 6 and 3, so your lowest common multiple is 6. Because this is already over 6, we don't have to do anything. Like we didn't have to do anything over here with the 7 and the 10. We don't have to do anything to that one. So we're going to leave it as it is, minus 4. With this one, to turn thirds into 6, we have to multiply by 2. So that means we're going to have to multiply the top by 2 as well. So we multiply 2 by 2x plus 1. So on our next line, we're going to get 3x minus 4 minus 4x minus 2. I'm going to tidy them up. So I've got 3x minus 4x is minus x, minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6, and that's all over 6. So that's my answer there. These are some more practice questions for you, so I would suggest you give all these a go yourself. Solutions are down here. And then this is a question that came up, I think it was in 2019 exam, so give that one a try as well. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful, guys.